Hello, my name is Today I'd like to teach you how to play for Elise. And this is the song you're gonna learn in this video. I prepared tab for you. You can download this one from my Patreon site, and this time it's free, but I post more tabs on there, and yeah, I post there with Patreon only post, and I post every tabs I made there. So if you're interested, please consider being my Patreon. And in this song there are 3 sections, and I'm going to teach you each sections one by one. And yeah, before I jump into the sections, I'm going to tell you how to play your right hand technique. So basically, I only use this technique. Thumb should be on the 4th string top part, here, here, here. Rest of the fingers here, and you can pluck by bending your fingers, and you can control which string to pluck. This is really handy, so I highly recommend you to use this technique. Okay, so let's practice. I'm going to say, like, 2nd string, play 2nd string. Just bend the middle finger, alright? Play middle 2 string, like this. Pointer finger, middle finger. And play all the string, pluck all of them, alright? Yeah, I think you got an idea, right? So I'm going to use this technique to, play this song. Okay? Now, let's get started with the lessons. The section 1 goes like this. Okay, so first thing first, you have to play 5, 4, and place your middle finger here, ring finger here, alright? And play 1st string with your ring finger on your right hand. And play and take off your ring finger, left hand, and put it back, and take it off, put it back, take it off, like this, and then play bottom string without using your left hand, and 3rd string 1st fret, and 1st fret 1st string, and this chord. If you take a look at the top, you can see the sign here, G minor. Place your finger here, here, here. Okay, if you didn't get it, please pause the video and mimic my finger positions, alright? Play all the string and play 3rd string twice and 2nd string once, then play next chord, this chord. So using these 2 fingers, in the middle 2 string, using these 2 fingers, place it on the 2nd fret, middle 2 strings, and play bottom 3 string with these 3 fingers, and play 3rd string twice, and bottom string, and lastly play G minor again. Remember G minor, right? G minor, and play 3rd string. Okay, so that was section 1. I'm going to play it slowly, and let's play it together, alright? Okay, first thing first, prepare your fingers, and that was section 1. Let's move on to the next section. So section 2 goes like this. It's really close to section 1. Like this. So first thing first, you have to play your finger like this, remember, 4th and 5th, and play first string, and take off and play the first string, and 3rd fret, 1st fret, and G minor, remember, and play 1st string, 2nd string, and this chord, middle 2 string of 2nd fret. And after this, it's a little bit different from here. Play 3rd string, and as you play the 1st string, you place your pointer finger on the 1st fret 1st string, and take off and play the 1st string again, and G minor, this one, right? So I'm going to play slowly again for you so that you can follow me and play it together. Okay? Okay? Did you figure it out? Okay, so that was section 2. So now move on to the last section, alright? So move on to section 3. If you have tabs, it's in between first paper and second paper, so it's a bit troublesome like this. It's over 2 papers. It's troublesome, but you can just spread them and see both sides of the sheet, and let's play this, alright? So I will play slowly again at first. First thing first, play the 1st string, and 1st string 1st fret, and 3rd fret, and play this chord. Okay, so pointer finger here, 5th fret, 5th fret, and 6th fret, 2nd string, alright? And play bottom 3 strings, and play 3rd string, 1st string. When you play 1st string, put your pinky on the 6th fret of the 1st string, and play, and take off and play the 1st string again, and F plus C, this one. So here, ring finger should be 3rd string 1st fret, and play 2nd string and 5, 3, and G minor, here, G minor, and play 3rd string, and as you play the 1st string, put your pinky on the 3rd fret 1st string, and play 1st string 1st fret, and play this chord, middle 2 string of the 2nd fret, and play 3rd string. Okay, so that's section 3. I'm going to explain it. That was section 3. I'm going to play slowly again, and let's play together, alright? Okay. It's really hard, but let's try it again, with me, alright? Let's start. Then this chord, and 3rd. Okay. After this, you can play section 2 again, alright? So it goes section 1, section 2, section 3, section 2. So that's the whole song. And lastly, I'm going to, show you the video with section numbers, on it, Alright? Please take a look. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.